Are you serious? Air Morb Tempos for $40? Are you serious? Coca's YouTube channel, hitting up some shops. Van Nuys, let's go. Standalone store, one of the smaller locations. They've pretty much got every release. Look at that. One of the smaller locations. People sleep on this spot, so they do. They got a lot of stuff, man. They got a lot of stuff. Let's look around. All right, before we get to all the Jordan releases, I have been looking for certain things at the Nike refurbished website. And I'm gonna be honest, I have been looking for the Jordan Hydro Slides because I definitely am paying $65 for these. These do look super fire, and these do match the Jordan 11s that are about to come out. So hopefully I can find one of those on the refurbished website. Been looking for, like, I don't think I've been looking for that one. Those are the Cherry 11 ones. But they do have pretty much every Jordan release. Got some ones, got some ones. Got threes, got fours. Got some fives right here. Did I skip some twos right there? Got these sixes. I've not been seeing these consistently. The Toro Bravo sixes. Got sevens right here. Oh, my bad. I skipped the sixes. Got the playoff eights. Still got the playoff eights. Dang, I've been trying to find these at the outlet show. That's what I've been trying to do. They gloss over the twos. Are these the Christmas twos? Is that what these are? Yeah, they go for $175. And then got these ones right here. These are down to what, $140? These are some OGs right here, the Jordan 1 Low OGs. Got 13s right there. Got the 11 Low IEs. These have been going for hella cheap for $100 right here. And then got these right here as well. Have not been seeing these anywhere else. The Ginger 14s. Yeah, these are going for $110. Like I said, this place is kind of hidden. Like, not everybody knows about the spot, so they do get a lot of stuff on sale. Jordan t-shirts, all the Jordan logos and stuff, $20. Not bad. These are normally what, 35 or 40. They got a few of them. They got this fool using, he's using an M16, right? M16, even got a grenade launcher right there. Fool just smashing everybody. Then a lot of the apparel bin. Freaking $10. These shorts right here are nice. What is it? The Mason article shorts. These are fleece. $10. Hell of a deal. And then those right there, $10. Nike shorts on the backside go for $20. These are down to $20 already? These ain't even been out that long. Got all the Jordan. Dang, this is not bad. These ain't bad at all. All the Jordan logos and stuff. Like $70 down to $20. Are you serious? $20 freaking dollars. That's hella cheap. Got Nike stuff right there. Got Adidas stuff down there as well. Freaking $20 and $15. Then still got these right here. These are on sale. Oh, I'm gonna have to grab these. I don't have time to get them today. I'm gonna have to come back. Okay, these are still $100. These are $60. I'm gonna have to grab one of these. God dang it! I want these. I want these. The Forum Low. These are the Shoe Palace one. And only released at Shoe Palace. Like, I like these. They use really nice leather on them and stuff. Yeah, they're only $60, so I'm gonna have to grab one of those. Maybe next week. Maybe after the 11th. I don't know. Or, dang, I'm gonna have to grab them right now, actually. Not today, but I'm gonna have to grab them tomorrow. So let's see, $50 for the Ultra Boost right there. Look, $110 for these. So they do got some deals. NMDs, $80 for those. Do got the Shoe Palace merch right here. WWE stuff. That's pretty dope. If you're into wrestling, pretty dope. They got the Ultimate Warrior right here, $10 for these shirts. Not bad. They got quite a few. Yeah, they got quite a few. A lot of mediums. They got larges right here. Yeah, they got larges. Even got X larges. Got a good number of sizes. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? This is a size 13. Holy cow. Holy cow. I'm gonna have to see if anybody has this in my, there's no way anybody has my, what the hell? Oh my God, that's insane. That's insane. Yeah, some of the prices kind of crazy. I think is this a women's or is this a men's? But yeah, this is a size 10 right here. 10 men's, it looks like it's a men's. $40 for Air Max right here. Holy cow. think Bossco showed these on his channel. Like, that is insane. 80 for these right here. Got some crazy sales. Got some wind flows for $40. If you're not a sneaker fan, like, you know, this does have Zoom Air in it. Not too bad. Another one. Oh my goodness. These are going for $40. Are you effing serious? $40. I feel like I should buy one, but I have so many Air Max that I have like not even worn lately. Holy cow. And so there's only one size 10. It's out in Arizona. Holy cow. Holy cow. And then look, $100 for these. This is just not the color that I want. And then I think these, yeah, $130 for these. Oh my God, I can't believe. Dang it. I wish I saw that before. God dang it. When they had a 10.5. I would have grabbed that in 10.5. I would have tried to take this off, see how it looks. And then look at this. Look at this Forces. This is kind of like a, it's kind of like a, what's it called? Like a Dodgers color, huh? That matches Dodgers gear. $40. $40 Air Force Ones. Are you effing serious? Holy crap. $40 freaking dollars. This is a 10.5. Man. And of course they got dunks. All kinds of dunks. Mo dunks right here. Checking out the women's section right here. Got some Vapor Max Pluses right there. Dude, got 270s. Got Air Max 97s. God dang, dude. We've seen these for a bunch, but man, those $40, that's just insane. All right, I think I'm gonna move to the next spot, but holy cow, 40 for this, and those, and then these. That's insane, you guys. That's freaking insane. Holy cow. I was just about to leave. Look, they got those backpacks going for $30 as well. Those backpacks ain't bad, especially for $30. Okay, but I think that's it. Next spot. All right, right across the street, do got a Hibbett Sports. They got a little sale going on here. Buy one, get 5% off, 10% off, 15 if you buy 3. Okay. Their Jordan selection, top right there. Not too much craziness. I don't see too many crazy red tags either. I am obsessed with these. I've been checking the refurbished website. I actually did order one from the refurbished website. It should come within the next few days. I think I scored one for like $40-something. I'll definitely show you guys as soon as I get them. It was like $32 and then $7. Then tax, I think it's like $42 after shipping and stuff. They charge $7 shipping, and there's no returns on the Nike refurbished website. These are going for $85 though, man. Too much. I got these mids right here. I've never seen these mids before. What they go for? $135. So is this an SC? Yeah, this is an SC. Another Craft. They've had 1 million of those, I feel like. But okay. A little nicer material with the SE. Got some Currys right here. These are Curry 10s, yep. 125. These are normally what, 160 the normal price for these. Another colorway right here. I think this, I don't like any of these colorways. Never mind. They're here though. The Take Ones, the Take One 4th gen, one for $45. That's a pretty solid price. Luca ones. I'm surprised they still got these here. Cosmic Unities. Dang, good outlet like prices for those. The Zoom Freak, what, the 4s right here. 4s on sale. And the 3s. Oh, did they have? I don't know. This one looks taller. I don't know. They got a couple of Zoom Freak 4s right here. They got some sales. All right. Kamikazes right here. These are the Sean Kemps. Sean Kemps going for $55. That's a hell of a price. Got questions right here down to $75, $80 for the Prism ones. Answers right here. The Answer 4s, $100, and then the Street Fighter Shacks. Street Fighter Shacks go for $85. Is that LSU colorway? LSU colorway going for that price as well. Noah boots, $80 for the Manoa boots. That's almost as cheap as the discount stores, to be honest. That's crazy. They do have a clearance rack right there for clothes. Didn't really see much to show you guys. $125 for these bags right here. I haven't seen these. Some Jordan bags right there. Pro standard stuff right here. $120 for this Bulls jacket. Dude, this is fire. I've never seen these. Yeah, that's Pro Standard always makes fire stuff, dude. Hoodies right here. These hoodies are what, 100? Is it 110? 100? 120. It's up to 120 now, but that is a fire hoodie right there. They got a jacket here as well. Do have a bunch of stuff here. Pretty decent selection. No crazy sales. All right, let's go next door. Let's go next door. They do have a bunch of the dunks. Bunch of dunks right here. But it's all stuff that we've seen, right? Right next door, they do have a Ross. Let's go. All right, I hope that I don't find anything crazy dope because the line is insane. Line is insane. Got some team apparel right here. Like super lightweight. Feels way cheap. This is U brand going for 30 bucks. Chargers one right here. This is team apparel as well. Size mediums. Dalvin Cook jersey right here, $40 for that one. You can grab one of these right here. Yeah, one of these. What the hell? Is this in the guys? Oh, it's an elf costume, so it is kind of a dress, right? Yeah, they got one of these. Yeah, got one of these for 17 bucks. Catching a restock. I'm being nosy as hell. Going through this stuff. I didn't really see nothing. All the sneakers up top. Moving on to the sneakers. Finding some Air Max 2090s. 65 for these mother lovers right here. The smaller sizes. Size 9 or something. 37 for these Converse right here. Got some Forum lows. These mother lovers going for, who knows? Oh, wait. $40 right there. Hokas. I don't know which one this is. The Gaviotas. Gaviotas down to 90. Got Vans right here. These bad boys down to 40. Got some Sauconys right here. Kind of wild with the colorway. 50 bucks. These are size 10. Got some Uggs right here. I've never seen this kind of Ugg. 25 for those. More Gaviotas right here. $90. This is a dope colorway. 9.5. I'd probably get my kiddo these. Yeah, those are dope. Dang it. I don't want to stand in that line. Top 10s right here. $45. Pegasus Turbo Next Natures. And these are starting to get marked down. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. But we don't know the price. What the hell is that? 37 or something? I don't know. But that's the cheapest ZoomX you'll probably find right now. You want the full Ross experience, go ahead, wait in one of these lines. Very DMV-esque. Does take a cool minute. See when the Cactus Plant Flea Market, McDonald's hoodie right there. But yeah, that's that line right there. All right, one more store. Then the last few minutes, do got a Burlington right next door. Y'all been finding heat at Burlington lately? I feel like I haven't been to too many lately, but you got these team apparel. Raiders hockey jerseys, 25 for those. Booker jerseys right here, Devin Booker jerseys. Oh my goodness. And these are Nike. These are Nike Swingman, $40. These normally retail for obviously a lot more. This is a medium, $120 down to 40. If you're a Phoenix fan, that's what's up. That is what's up, man. I can't support this fool. Come on now, man. And we are finding multiple. Ooh, a Durant jersey. A Durant jersey. Holy cow. That is surprising. Are you effing serious? Wow. Booker. Oh no, more Durant jerseys. $120 down to $40. And then we got, wow, that's crazy. Moving on to the size small. More Booker, more Durant, more, wow. I am a Durant fan, but I can't be supporting the Suns. Nah, man. Maybe if I found what is it, OKC one, maybe, but I can't wear no Suns jersey. Can't do it. Then of course, find more double XL right here, XL. More jerseys, more Durant jerseys. Wow. All right, checking out sneakers. See what's up over here. These the waffle racers, waffle ones. I don't know. About $40 for those bad boys right there. What is this? What is this? What cleats are these? Oh, these are huge. $30 for these. These are the vapor ones. Too big for my kiddo. Dang, I think I need to exchange my kiddos. God dang it, I forgot about those. Got these Champion slippers right here making their way back. $17. That's just too much for those. Real Adidas foams right here in a bigger size 13, 33 for those. Extra tiny little Hardens right here, size 4 for those my lovers. $31. Still got some of these here. Nobody's been able to tell me whose signature sneaker these were. Were these a signature sneaker? Maybe they weren't. Maybe I'm just wrong. But I felt like they were. These, someone did guess Sean Kemp. Sean Kemp, I showed you guys the kamikaze. These definitely ain't it. I don't know, but they do got some Reeboks here. Whatever price those are. Yeah, dang it. Is this my kiddo size? Apparently I need a size 9. I got a size 9.5. They're slightly big. These might be a 9 too, dang it, but they got a line here and I gotta hurry up and go home. So I told my family I'd be home by a certain time and running a little late. All right, not his size 12. Tuna slides, kind of in a Chargers colorway. 25 for these. Those don't look bad in that colorway, to be honest. Hardens in a huge size with extra dirt at no cost. And these are size 17 going for 40. With that extra dirt, they should be going for like $18. Got the budget version of, these are the budget version of the Dames, right? Dame certified? Is this the Dame certified? No, never mind. My bad. $40 for those generic things. Size 16s right here. The Resto Mods, no price. Oh, $20 for those. Damn, that's cheap. That's what's up. Got some classics right there. $24 in a huge size. All these getting marked down. $55 for those. I think we're done, you guys. I think we're done. All right, the line goes from right there. I could see heads all the way up to up here. So yeah, line here pretty long too. I'm glad I didn't find anything crazy fire.